Pardon the little shaky vid sesh. This is my attempt at filming something this morning. My arm fully extended from my body, just trying to catch up with the family. They are headed to the free pile, free bin, free system. It's pretty cool. We're gonna go scope out some goods and see what's there. We typically try to bring something to leave, and well, it's a beautiful, beautiful fall day. Temperature's super gorgeous, super nice out, and I'm gonna be catching up with them as I walk a little quicker, lagged behind a bit to do this. So wanted to kind of keep up with posting. There's this incredibly gorgeous Japanese maple over here that I'm gonna pop over and show you. Check this thing out. Bingo. Yeah, totally gorgeous. So kind of interesting to do a little bit of a walk and talk, because it's harder to hold my arm up. Honestly, my shoulder's getting tired already. Let's switch hands. Check that out, left-handed. And what do I have today? I wanted to talk a little bit about self-care. Just people like to riff on that lately, as if it's something new, but obviously at our core, that's sort of what we hopefully are doing to keep ourselves sane and functioning, reaching our highest potential. But moving your body, getting out, walking, breathing in the air, hearing the sounds, I think it's a big part of it. So I would highly encourage you guys to get out and walk around a little bit, or a lot bit. Check out your environment. Breathe in the air and smell the smells and witness the change. I think we have a tendency to trap ourselves inside our little cubicles and our little offices and houses, and don't get out nearly as much and enjoy the scenery. So I would encourage you to do that. Coming up on a big, huge horse chestnut tree. It provides incredible shade in the summer for these homes to the north of them, and I think it's a couple hundred years old. Ooh, nail gun always gets me. But check out how fat, how big around this trunk is. There you go. Common horse chestnut. I won't try to pronounce the Latin name, it's a tricky one. And yeah, a lot of construction going on in my neck of the woods, and I guess there's always two sides of that coin. It's wonderful, and it's producing improved habitat, and living quality of life is improving for a lot of people around us. There's always the downside. There's always the displacement of people who can't afford the rent and the home prices, the value, the property values going up. And there's a constant hammering and sawing and buzzing that occurs when your little city is in a constant state of growth. Check out these trees. Look how gorgeous those things are. Look at the contrast. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, I can spot my fam off in the distance, practicing their safety, stopping, looking, listening. Love the leaf fall on the ground here. It's just gorgeous. There's that BS fake spiderweb is for birds, because oftentimes you're stringing it all over your bushes. But the birds get caught in it. That's where they live. So it'd be like somebody covering your home in saran wrap and be like, here we go, coming up on the fam. thanks for coming on a walk with me. Like, subscribe, share if you'd like, and get out there and enjoy the fall. All right, be well.